Hello, everybody. This is Ian, founder of i30 Media Corp and author of the Lean Media Book blog and video channel available from leanmedia.org. Today, I'm going to be talking about creating a packing template for a single SKU in Amazon Seller Central. This is for inbound FBA shipments. This is using the new system that Amazon set up in 2021. It's actually pretty cool. I think it's a vast improvement over the old system. Just a quick disclaimer: you're responsible for following relevant terms, and your experience may be different than what I show you, depending on how you have Amazon Seller Central set up and other variables. So let's get started here. Amazon Seller Central. What I'm going to be doing is creating a new packing template for inbound FBA shipments. And what this is for, this basically makes it very easy for me to, if I have let's say that I have a certain SKU, and I always send in the same amount of that SKU, like 50 units at a time in the same box, I might as well create a template so I can just reuse it over and over again instead of having to type it in manually every time. So this is a new improvement in Amazon Seller Central for FBA shipments, and I'm happy to show it to you. Basically, this is how to create a packing template. Go to Amazon Seller Central, click on Inventory, go to Manage FBA Shipments. The default shows you the existing shipments that you have, but I'm going to be clicking on Send to Amazon. I'm not sending anything just yet. I'm just creating a packing template that I just mentioned. Let's get rid of that. It's kind of churning through things because actually I have quite a few products that use FBA. All right. So let's take a look and see what one of them looks like right now. So this is this is a product that I sent. I created a packing template last week. I called it Blue Box 2021, and this is what it looks like. So this is the name, units per box, box dimensions, 12 by 10 by 11, box weight, and no prep needed for this particular type of box. And when they ask for no prep needed, that means like adding a UPC sticker or something on the outside of the packaging. I've already done that. I'm going to close that because I'm not going to be changing that. What I'm going to be doing is actually creating a template for this one. So there is none yet. So basically, go to this drop down and then say create new case pack template. And I'm going to call this Pink Box 2021. Units per box, it's 40. Box dimensions, I just measured everything. So it's 12 by 9 by 12. And the box weight is 28 pounds. This may look different, of course, if you're in another country. One thing that's really important about this is you need to get this right because Amazon takes this information and it feeds it right to its default shipper, the shipping company. For me, it's UPS. For you, it might be something else. But you want to give the correct information to the shipper. I've heard horror stories of people that have either fudged it or didn't really measure correctly, and they were off. And the shipping company gets pretty steamed because they're kind of getting, they're getting the short end of the stick. You should be paying more for it, and because it weighs more, the box is a certain dimension. So make sure you get this information right. No prep needed. So you can see that there's for certain types of products like liquids, baby products, adult, whatever, apparel like clothing. It might need special preparation. For these, they don't need anything. No labeling required. So you can see as I hover over it, this SKU uses manufacturer barcodes for tracking. So I do that, and I'm just going to click Save. And now it's all set. So when I'm ready to send in something to get started, all I would do is like type in the number of boxes. It would automatically populate the number of units, and then I could get going. I'm going to create another video that shows how to send in something using the case pack template, but that's basically how to create a case pack template for something that you send in all the time from your supplier. And for more information, go to Amazon Seller Central. There's all kinds of help resources about this. If you like this type of video, if you could like it wherever you're watching it right now, and also subscribe to my channel, I'd be grateful. To find out more information, go to leanmedia.org, click on video. You can see more of my videos. Click on blog. You can see blogs about this. I also have social media and stuff like that. This is Ian signing off. Thank you so much for watching.